In this video, I'm going to give a really quick overview on what a budget is and also what the purpose of a budget is. So what is a budget? A budget is essentially a financial spending plan. It takes all of your current and your future income streams and earnings capability, and also considered all of your expenses and outgoings over a period of time. It puts those two things together and essentially helps them match out. In the most simple term, it's how much are you bringing in and how much are you spending? What are all the streams that you can bring money in? And what are all the ways in which you can spend money? Usually the easier part of it. But that's all a budget is. It's matching those two together to making sure that you understand what's coming in and what's going out. There are lots of different ways you can do this, and we'll discuss that in later videos. But what is the purpose of doing this? Why go to all the effort to set up a budget and understand the money that's coming in? Usually pretty easy to do. And also what's going out. Quite often we know that there's large amounts going out, or that we've spent everything, or maybe we've only spent half. But what is it actually spent on, and how is that broken up? Usually we can talk really high level, and we know that we've spent money on petrol or on food, going to restaurants, going on a holiday. But to actually break it down and understand how much we're spending on each can be a lot more challenging. So the purpose. There's lots of reasons why we'd want to go about creating a budget. It's number one, it gives financial stability, it gives comfort, right? And that comfort can help you to both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might be, how do I make ends meet over the next couple of weeks? How do I get comfort that I know where I'm going to get money from to pay that next electricity bill? It could be something that is more around future purchases and large purchases. So it could be a car or a house that you're wanting to buy, or a vacation that you're looking to go on. It could be something in a personal milestone, like a retirement planning for down the track, that might either be short, medium or long-term planning, depending on which stage of life you're in. Or it could be something even as simple as an emergency fund, a pot of money that sits there and is available if and when you need to draw on it. There's different things for different people, and that's why budgets are such a personal thing. And it's really about what is it that you want to get out of it, to how you set your budget up. For some people, it might be about financial freedom, the desire to replace their 9-to-5 job with another income stream or streams to give them the financial freedom to step away from their 9-to-5. For others, it might just be the desire to remove stress from the next bill that comes in and where that money's going to come from. So there's lots of different reasons why you want to do it, but in its most simplest form, it provides financial stability for future decisions that you'd want to make. Hope this was helpful. Look forward to chatting with you in the next video.